What if the universe has been hiding its greatest secret inside black hole collisions this entire time? Deep within the universe, humanity's greatest unsolved mystery may have been hiding in silence all along. For decades, scientists have searched for dark matter because the stars, planets, and galaxies we can see appear to make up only a small fraction of the cosmos. The vast majority of the universe is believed to be shaped by something invisible. Yet one unsettling question remains. If dark matter is truly everywhere, why has no telescope ever seen it? This is where black holes enter the story. When enormous black holes spiral toward one another and collide, they send ripples through the very fabric of space and time. These invisible echoes are known as gravitational waves. Scientists have spent years listening to these cosmic vibrations. But now, an even more astonishing possibility is emerging. What if these waves are not only telling the story of black hole collisions, but also whispering secrets about the invisible side of the universe? Researchers now believe that rapidly spinning black holes may trap ultralight dark matter particles around them, creating an invisible cloud of energy. Then, as another black hole falls through this hidden region, the gravitational waves produced by the collision could become ever so slightly distorted. In other words, even if dark matter cannot be seen directly, its fingerprints may already be hidden inside the fabric of space-time itself. What makes this idea even more extraordinary is that scientists revisiting past gravitational wave observations may have already spotted something unusual. One mysterious signal in particular appears to share surprising similarities with what researchers predicted dark matter might leave behind. No one is claiming a confirmed discovery yet. Still, this tiny anomaly raises an enormous question. What if humanity has been listening to secret messages from the universe for billions of years, only now learning how to understand them? What if black hole collisions are not merely cosmic disasters, but laboratories revealing the invisible architecture of reality? And perhaps the biggest question of all remains unanswered. If dark matter has truly been hiding inside gravitational waves all this time, how many hidden cosmic secrets are still waiting to be discovered? All the details await in the link below. Share it and be part of spreading the news.